Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss the factors that must be considered in evaluating material quotes. We all know the market inflation in recent years, which have been a challenge for many builders. While each quote is only good for a certain period of time, doing a careful evaluation could reduce mistakes. First and foremost, it's essential to get enough reliable quotes. The minimum number is 3 suppliers. Verify their reputations and check reviews. Secondly, consider the quality of the materials and check to see if they are specified or approved by the client. Some materials could be cheaper to buy, but they could take longer to install or just not durable. Next, do your own quantity takeoff and allow reasonable waste. Suppliers like lumber yards could sell you what you don't want but miss the items you really need. Finally, when you receive the quotes, check the possible hidden charges. This could include shipping, sales taxes by all levels of governments, minimum order fee, expected price escalation, storage costs, etc. In conclusion, evaluating material quotes in today's inflation-infused economy requires a thorough review of each quote, comparing them apple to apples, considering the quality of materials and construction techniques, and assessing the possible extra costs. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that you're getting the best value for your money.